Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix full storage Gmail. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Google Play Store and just simply tap the search and just simply go for the search bar and go for the G drive and search for it. And just simply select the G drive and make sure you are running the latest version as well. And just simply select update when there is any. And now, once you open the app, just simply go to the files at the bottom right corner. And from here, you should be able to see all of your files into your drive and just simply delete any files that you don't longer need and just simply select the three dots and just simply select remove at the bottom over here. If you scroll down and just simply select move to bin and just simply do it for the other folders. And guys, it does not delete it until so guys, remember, you have to delete it on the trash bin as well to fully fix the issue. So just simply select the three dots on the top left corner and then go for the bin over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and just simply select empty bin over here. And as you can see, we will have all of the folders over here that we deleted. And when you select empty bin, just simply select delete forever. And after that, you should have more space into your drive and you should be able to fix it. There you go. See ya.